Start.
So now we are going to discuss some of the problems for random variable. So here I have written one problem. So a random variable x has the probability function that can be listed here. So you should find out, determine the value of a, and we have to find out the probability value of x less than 3 and x greater than or equal to 5. Okay. So before solving that problem, so you must verify whether the variable represented as discrete or continuous. So here we have limited number of values. So therefore obviously this is a discrete random variable. Okay. So discrete random variable means, so what are the conditions going to be satisfied? That is the probability mass function conditions. So what is your first condition? So you should remember that point. Your first condition is sum of all the probability values, it should be equal to 1. And the another condition is, so all the probability function values are greater than 0. Okay. So now we are consider these conditions, sum of all the probability values should be equal to 1. So using that condition, easily you will be getting the value for a. Then using the probability concept, you will be getting the value for x less than 3 and x greater than or equal to 5. So here sum of all the probability values. So that means you have to find the sum of all the values here. So this is 6, 12, 20, 30 and 42 and 56, 60. So your 60A equal to 1. So your sum of all the probability values becomes 60 times of A is equal to 1. So now you will be getting the value here, A equal to 1 by 60. So this is your value of A in this case. In the next case, you have to find out probability of x less than 3. So here we have the table. X less than 3 means you will be getting only these two values. So probability of x equal to 1 and probability of x equal to 2. So probability of x equal to 1 is nothing but here 2a, and probability of x equal to 2, in that table you are having 4a. So therefore you are getting 6 times a. Already you found the value for a, that is 1 by 60. Therefore you will be getting 6 by 60. Therefore you are getting 1 by 10. So this case over. Next you have to find out the second one, probability of x greater than or equal to 5. So x greater than or equal to 5 means, so 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So you consider all these 4 values. Therefore that becomes 40 times a. Therefore we are getting 40 by 60, because since your a value becomes 1 by 60, so therefore you will be getting 2. That's it.